When the power goes out, most people do the wrong things first.
Yeah, panic.
I panic. That's why we're fixing that now. Step 1, stay calm and check your surroundings. Is it just your home or the whole area?
If my TV's out, it's serious.
If your neighbor's lights are out, it's widespread. Step 2, use safe lighting. Flashlights and lanterns, not candles.
What's wrong with candles?
You could start a fire, and in the dark, that's a stressed environment.
That's a fair point.
Step 3, protect your food. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed. Cold air is your friend.
How long will it last?
It'll last for hours if you don't open it. Step 4, stay informed. Use a weather radio or your phone while it still has power.
And when the phone dies?
That's why we planned ahead, Suddy. Step 5, slow everything down. Use power carefully, check on others, and wait for updates.
So it's not chaos?
Not if you're prepared. A power outage is only dangerous when you don't know what to do.
And now they do.
Well, now they do.